Hey friends, it's Mrs. Walker. For our lesson today, we're going to talk about subtracting, and we're going to work with three-digit numbers today. So our learning goal for today says, I can subtract three-digit numbers with and without decomposing. So all that means, friends, is sometimes we're going to have to decompose a 10 or even 100, and sometimes we won't have to do that. So make sure that you're paying close attention as you're looking at each one of the numbers. So the materials that you'll need for this lesson are your dry erase board and your place value chart. So make sure you have those before we get started. All right, let's get our minds warmed up with an application problem today. The total length of a red string and purple string is 73 centimeters. The red string is 18 centimeters long. How long is the purple string? So friends, when I'm thinking about this problem, I really kind of needed to draw out a picture so I could see a model on what this problem looks like. Now I'm going to start with drawing my 18 centimeters of red string, okay, because that's what it told me in the problem. It also told me there was a purple string, right? But it didn't tell me how long the purple string was. That's what I'm solving for in this problem. So that's an unknown. So I'm going to put a question mark there. But what it did tell me, it said the total length of a red string and purple string is 73 centimeters. So I'm going to label that here on my picture too. So now that I know that my total is 73 centimeters, well, I'm missing one of the parts. So when I'm missing one of my parts, that tells me that I probably need to be subtracting. So I want you guys to pause the video and you're going to solve the rest of this problem on your own and then click play when you're ready to go over it together. All right, friends, pause if you need more time. Otherwise, here we go. Okay, so I set this up as subtraction. Again, the largest number has to be on top. So that's 73 minus 18. Well, when I'm looking in my ones place where I start first, I notice that there's more that I'm subtracting from. So I have I need to take 8 from 3, and I can't do that. So I need to decompose a 10. So now I don't have 7 tens and 3 ones anymore. I have 6 tens and 13 ones because that 110 turned into 10 ones. So now I'm able to subtract. So 13 minus 8 equals 5. Then I can go to my tens place and subtract 1 from 6. So 6 minus 1 equals 5. So the purple string is 55 centimeters long. So again, remember, this is how we are subtracting as we're solving the problem, but notice how I wrote that in a statement at the end. That's part of the RDW process, right? We've read the problem, we drew a model, we solved with a picture, and then we rewrote our answer in a statement. Okay, so good job with that one, friends. Let's get started with our lesson. So here I have 126 minus 19. So there's my three-digit number right there. I'm going to draw my place value chart just like I've been doing, but this time I added in the hundreds place in my place value chart. So friends, the steps are the same. We start with the ones place, then we move to the tens place, but now we have the hundreds place that we need to subtract with as well. So let's model the first number. And remember, when we're using our place value chart with subtraction, we only have to model the largest number. So we're going to model 126. So there's 100, 2 tens, and 6 ones. For this one, friends, when you guys are modeling on your place value chart, you can just draw a dot like I did. I just chose to draw a fun, colorful dot. But you don't need to do that. You can just draw a dot with your pencil or your dry erase marker. Okay, so going back to the same way we did with two-digit numbers, we start in the ones place. I have 6 ones, and I need to take away 9. But I can't do that. So I need to take this 10 and decompose it into 10 ones. Now I have 1 10 left and 16 ones because I had 6 ones and I combined it with those 10 ones that I decomposed from the 10, and now I'm able to subtract. So 16 minus 9 equals 7. Now I move to my tens place. 110 minus 110 equals 0 tens. Now we have to put the 0 there because we still have numbers in the hundreds place that we're subtracting. So we have 100 minus, there's no hundreds in 19, so we still have 100 left. So 126 minus 19 equals 107. All right, let's look at another problem like this. So here we have 165 minus 18. So again, here's my place value chart with hundreds, tens, and ones. We model the largest number when we're subtracting. So that's 165. So 100, 6 tens, and 5 ones. We start in our ones place. We don't have enough ones to subtract. We have 5, but I have to take 8 away. So I need to decompose this 10, take it away, and now I have 10 ones. So now let's model that on our vertical form. So we have 5 tens and 15 ones. Now we're able to subtract our ones. So we're going to take away 8 of them. And I'm left with 7 ones. We move to our tens place. We have 5 tens. I need to subtract 1. There it goes. Goodbye. And I'm left with 4 tens. I move to my hundreds place. Oh, and there's nothing to subtract there because there's nothing in the hundreds place with the number 18. So 1 minus nothing is still 1. So 165 minus 18 equals 147. All right, let's take a look at another one. So we have 153 minus 29. So you guys are going to pause the video, draw your place value chart, draw your model of 153, then subtract 29, and show your work using the vertical form too. So pause the video, solve this problem, and then click play when you're ready to go over it together. All right, friends, pause if you need more time. Okay, so here's my place value chart. I'm going to model 153 of 100, 5 tens, and 3 ones. I start in my ones place. I don't have enough, so I need to decompose a 10 into 10 ones. Now I'm left with 4 tens and 13 ones. Now I can subtract 9, and I'm left with 4. Move to my tens place. 4 tens minus 2 tens leaves me with 2 tens. Move to my hundreds place. Oh, there's nothing to subtract, so I have 100 left. So 153 minus 29 equals 124. All right, did you guys get that too? All right, awesome if you did. If not, we're going to do another one to still practice, okay? So here we have 186 minus 47. So you guys are going to pause the video. You're going to draw your place value chart, model 186 and take away 47, and also record that using the vertical form. So pause the video, solve this problem, and then click play when you're ready to go over it together. All right, friends, let's take a look at how we solve this problem. So here we have our place value chart. I'm going to model 186, so 100, 8 tens, and 6 ones. I start in my ones place. I have 6 ones, and I need to subtract 7. I can't do that, so I need to decompose this 10, take it away, and turn it into 10 ones. So now I'm going to model that on my vertical form. I have 7 tens left and 16 ones. Now I'm definitely able to subtract 7. So I'm going to take those away, and I'm left with 9. 16 minus 7 equals 9. Then we move to our tens place. We have 7 tens. I need to take away 4 tens, and I'm left with 3 tens. Move to my hundreds place. There's nothing to subtract, so we can just bring that straight down. So 186 minus 47 equals 139. All right, good job with that one, friends. All right, so bravo, you guys did an awesome job subtracting 3-digit numbers with and without decomposing. So please head back on over to the module to see what you need to complete for your independent practice. As always, if you have any questions, please let me know. I'd be more than happy to help. And I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Bye, friends!